Which term best defines the word robust as it is used in the last paragraph of the passage? A. Powerful, B. Healthful, C. Sensible, or D. Lucid. Let's begin by locating the context in which robust is used in the last paragraph of the passage. We see Turner say, "I serendipitously came across a few very rare examples of the material during my unrelated PhD research long ago. When I became a professor and had my own grants, I was able to return to the field sites and collect more material so that I had a more robust collection to work from." From the context, we can see that robust here means extensive, especially when comparing it to the smaller collection she worked with during her previous PhD research. With this in mind, let's take a look at our choices and see which best matches our findings. B, healthful, is a word that can be a synonym for robust, but as it's usually used describing physical good health, this isn't what we're looking for here. C, sensible, doesn't reflect what we're looking for, as sensible refers to something practical or reasonable, which doesn't reflect our findings. D, lucid, means clear or easy to understand, which doesn't apply to the context of building a stronger collection of samples. We are left with A, powerful, which, while it wouldn't necessarily be the best choice to replace robust, fulfills what the question is asking, which term best defines robust. So while it's true that perhaps words like substantial or extensive might work better, because this best defines robust out of our choices, we can mark A, powerful, as our final answer.